How to import a Word document into Google Docs. The right way to ship phrase paperwork to Google Drive. Google Docs is part of Google Drive, so you will need to first add your paperwork to Google Drive earlier than you should use them on Google Docs. Open Google Drive. If it is advisable to log in, you may be prompted to try this earlier than continuing. Choose File Add. To add a folder that accommodates a number of phrase paperwork, choose Folder Add as a substitute. Navigate to the file or folder you wish to add, then choose Open. The add cursive begins robotically. The right way to convert a phrase doc in Google Docs. Now that the doc is uploaded to Google Drive, you'll be able to maintain it there for backup functions or for sharing with others. Nevertheless, to edit the phrase doc online with Google Docs, convert it to a format Google Docs can acknowledge. Open Google Docs. Click on a phrase doc you wish to edit. Choose Edit in Google Docs. The docx label subsequent to the doc's identifier lets you realize it is in Microsoft phrase format. To transform the file, choose File greater than Save as Google Docs. A brand new model of the doc opens in a separate window. You now have two variations of the file, the docx file, and the brand new Google Docs file. The right way to obtain an edited Google Docs file. When it is advisable to download a file from Google Docs, you are able to do it from the Docs Modifying web page. Open Google Docs, then open the file you wish to obtain. To inform which paperwork are Google Docs information and that are nonetheless Microsoft phrase paperwork, take a look at the file extensions. Google Docs information don't have a file extension, so if there is a docx or doc suffix after the file identifier, then that file has not been transformed to the Google Docs format, which implies that it isn't the file you edited on Google Docs. Go to File greater than Obtain and choose a file format from the menu that seems. Select from codecs akin to docx, ODT, RTF, PDF, EPUB, and others. Select a folder the place the doc ought to be saved. It could additionally straight obtain to your laptop for those who've outlined a Obtain folder to your browser. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.